In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted file in Figma in just a few simple steps. Whether you've accidentally deleted a design or want to retrieve a file from the trash, don't worry. Your precious work is not lost forever. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can recover your files seamlessly. First things first, you need to open Figma on your computer. Once you have Figma open, you'll want to head over to either the Drafts or Projects page. Both of these sections are available on the left-hand side of your Figma interface. You'll likely land on the Drafts page by default, but if you've created folders or designated projects, you might opt to check your Projects section as well. Next, once you're on either of those pages, your goal is to find the Trash or Deleted Files section. This is essentially like a recycle bin, holding all your deleted items until you choose to either permanently remove them or restore them. Look for this section in the left sidebar near the bottom. Click on it, and you'll enter the trash area where all your deleted files reside. Now this is the crucial part. Scroll through the list of deleted files to locate the specific file you want to restore. It can be easy to become overwhelmed if you see a long list of files, so take your time to carefully identify the one you need. Keep an eye out for the thumbnail or file name that matches what you lost. Rest assured, this part is all about patience and precision. Once you find the file you're looking for, it's time to bring it back into action. Click on the file, and an option to restore should appear either directly below the file name or on a panel that pops open at the bottom or side of your screen. Simply click Restore. Take a moment here to double check that you're restoring the correct file, especially if you have multiple deleted files with similar names. And just like that, your file will be moved back to its original location, ready for you to continue working on. By following these steps, you can easily recover your deleted files in Figma, ensuring that your hard work is never truly lost. Remember, having access to the trash section provides you with an extra layer of security, allowing you to confidently manage your files without fear. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it empowers you to navigate Figma's robust file management system with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on mastering Figma and other creative tools.